YouTube just credited my account. Yes, you've heard me right. YouTube has credited my account for the month of August. So this is what I'm going to be revealing to you guys on this particular video. Before we dive in, welcome back to BIG JOREX Official. On this channel, we talk about YouTube growth and how to make money online. If you check my channel for the past for the past 4 weeks, I've not been able to upload any video on this channel, and this is due to some things that I was trying to resolve offline. So I had to take a break from YouTube, but right now I'm back fully to content creation. So and I will be dropping new videos every single week on this particular channel. So let's not waste much of our time. As you can see right here on your screen, I got paid on the 21st of August 2025. So this was actually when Google AdSense sent my money, or let me say when YouTube sent my payment. So my payment was sent on August 21st. And you know, as a YouTuber, when Google sends your payment, the money will not arrive on your account immediately. So once your payment has been sent, it's going to take like 1 to 5 days for your money to be credited into your bank account. Like before you receive your alert, it's going to take within 1 to 5 days before you'll be able to see your money being credited into your bank account. So on the 25th, okay, let me say the 21st that I got paid, on the 21st that I got paid, that was on Friday, and it was during weekend. You know, bank cannot credit the money during weekends. So if you send my money on the 21st of August, which was Friday, and I received the alert on the 25th, and that was on Monday. Yes, that was when I received the alert that you see right here on my account. So you see, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, these are all weekends. So banks or YouTube will not credit your money. So that was why my money was on pending until Monday before I received the amount on my account. So I want to be straightforward, and I don't want this video to be very long. So I'm going to make everything brief. As you can see, my money was sent on the 21st, like I said before, while I received the money on my account on the 25th. So as you can see right here on my YouTube studio, I earned $154.05. So that was the exact amount I earned on my channel, but I got credited $152.63 or $152.63. Let me explain why it happens like this. This is because, you know, YouTube, when you get traffic from American countries, or let me say all these European countries like UK, US, Canada, and so if people from these particular countries watch your videos, so YouTube is actually going to deduct their own tax. So if you have all these foreign traffics, you need to pay tax. They are going to take tax. And if you check from my regions, the people that watch my videos, let me say like over 80 something percent of people, or let me say it's up to 90% of people watching my videos are actually from Nigeria and few other African countries. So that is why my tax is not really much. So YouTube just take just $1.41 as my tax. Understand? That's the only amount that they have deducted from my earnings. So that is why out of my $154 that I earned, YouTube took $1.41 as tax, and then credited $152.63 to my bank account. So this is the exact amount I got credited into my bank account directly from YouTube. So to all the new creators or all the small creators out there, if your aim is about making money on YouTube, then what you have to keep in your mind is being consistent. Yes, because the consistency and the passion is what that will drive you to your destination. Do not keep money first, because whenever you plan or whenever you start thinking about the money, that means maybe along the way you are going to fall out. You will not be able to work to the very end, because if money is what you are actually aiming for, then you start creating content in order for you to make money quick. Trust me, within some times, because you create this content aiming to make money real quick, and you now see that when you now see that the money that you aim for are not actually coming, that means you are going to give up. That zeal will not be there for you to continue. So that is why I always advise people to have passion. So if you want to be creating content, if you want to start a YouTube, or if you want to start making videos on any social media platform at all, make sure that you have passions about creating content, because the passions is what that will keep you going. Understand? If you have passions in creating content, whether you see money or you don't see money, you are not going to stop. You are still going to be pushing, because you have passion for what you are doing. So my advice to you is that do not focus on money, but rather focus or have passions in what you are doing, because that's what that will take you to the very end. Guys, let me log in my bank app to show you my money. So this is my bank app. Let me click on login. Let's look at the money right here. As you can see, this particular account right here is my Naira account, and if I should slide to the other side, you are going to see dollar account. So let me view this. You see $152.63 sitting right here on my account. So if I want to convert this money to Naira right now, I can just go to my app like this, FXL. You see, this is where you can convert Naira to dollar. So let me see the current rate. Note, if I'm using the bank exchange rate, let me see how much it's going to be. So as you can see right here on this app, if I want to use this app to convert the money, so it's going to be 1515 naira per dollar. So if I input 152.63, okay, let me say $152. So this is going to give me 230,280 naira. You see, so this is the exact amount I have earned in just 1 month as a small creator on YouTube. So after watching this video, I believe you are motivated. Yes, I believe you are motivated in your content or in your YouTube journey. So if you are motivated after watching this video, make sure to drop "I'm motivated" on the comment section. Yes, just drop "I'm motivated" on the comment section, so that I will know we have small creators here with us. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. See you on the next video.